Social science presentation on earthquake from Nitya Gangwar 9P. What is earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden movement or shaking of the earth's crust caused by the rapid release of energy that is stored in rocks. Earthquakes are produced by abrupt motion along fault when friction that resists such motion is overcome by stress. Causes of earthquakes. Earthquakes are caused by tectonic movements in the Earth's crust. The main cause is that when tectonic plates collide, one rides over the other, causing orogeny, like mountain building, earthquake, and volcanoes. The boundaries between moving plates form the largest fault surface on the Earth. When they take relative motion between the plates leads to increasing stress. This continues until the stress rises and breaks, suddenly allowing sliding over the locked portion of the fault, releasing the stored energy. This is the picture of after an earthquake. During an earthquake, what we should do? Get under a heavy table or desk and hold on, or sit or stand against an inside wall. Keep away from windows. If indoors, stay indoor. If outdoor, stay outdoor, away from falling debris like trees and power lines. If in a car, stay in the car. Many injuries occur when people act on their impulse to run. Train yourself to take cover where you are. In case of earthquake, hide under a table, bed, protect your head with pillow. Stay away from tall, heavy objects which may fall on you. Case study. On 26 January 2001, Bhuj, Gujarat, scale between 7.6 and 7.7. The 2001 Gujarat earthquake occurred on January 26, 2001, India's 52nd Republic Day at 8:46 am and lasted for over 2 minutes. The epicenter was about 9 kilometers south to southwest of the village of Chaubari in Bachua Taluka of Kutch district of Gujarat, India. The earthquake reached a magnitude of between 7.6 and 7.7 on the movement magnitude scale and had a maximum felt intensity of X intense on the Masali intensity scale. The quake killed around 20,000 people, including 18 in southeastern Pakistan, injured another 1,67,000 and destroyed nearly 4 lakh homes. 5 major earthquakes in India. First, 2001 Gujarat, 7.7 Richter scale, 12,300 deaths. Second, 1934 Bihar, 8.1 Richter scale, 10,500 deaths. Third, 1993 Maharashtra, 6.4 Richter scale, 15,854 deaths. 1950 Assam, 8.6 Richter scale, 1,526 deaths. 1921 Uttarkashi, 6.1 Richter scale, 3,210 deaths. A road is destroyed after an earthquake. Thank you.